Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make noodles at home. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. Some recipes also call for a tablespoon or 2 of water, depending on the dough's consistency. Having these basic items on hand is the first step to creating delicious, fresh noodles right in your own kitchen. It's much easier than you might think. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix and knead. First, combine the flour and salt in a large bowl, then make a well in the center. Crack your 2 eggs directly into the well. Gradually incorporate the flour into the eggs, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for a full 8 to 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your noodles wonderfully chewy. After kneading, let your dough rest for about 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten. Then, divide the dough into 2 or 3 portions. Take 1 portion and roll it out as thinly as possible, ideally to about 1/16 of an inch thick. You can use a pasta machine or a rolling pin. Once thin, lightly flour the sheet, fold it, and cut it into your preferred noodle width, perhaps a 1/4 inch for fettuccine. Now for the best part, cooking and enjoying your homemade noodles. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh noodles. They cook much faster than dried pasta. They will typically be perfectly al dente in just 2 to 4 minutes. Drain them quickly, then toss with your favorite sauce, whether it's a rich marinara or a simple butter and herb dressing. Enjoy your delicious, fresh creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.